I fainted again, right? I can't believe that we're on the moon. This is a dream.
Manny made this dome with the controller, dear. We'll be able to eat comfortably without the masks on our faces. Yeah!
I think eating with the masks on is fun as well.
How are we supposed to eat that way, Smarty?
Happy anniversary, my dear. I wanted to surprise you.
Thank you, dear. This is great. Us together.
We all came here for a very special day today. We flew away all this long way with light speed. My mom and my dad were married many years ago. We are celebrating their anniversary all together. Ooh, with our love, many years we have lived together. Ooh, happily. We are celebrating their anniversary today with mom, my dad, and my sister, and many, many. We are celebrating their anniversary today.
Oh, another surprise after this perfect meal. The important thing for me was to be together.
The star you're looking at was formed so far away, I discovered it today. I talked to my colleagues, and I named it after you, honey.
Oh, but you already named a planet after me.
No, this one I named it My Life, dear.
It's even better. So where is this star, my life?
Well, it should be somewhere around there, I think.